Hey, let me show you how we can use camera pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So first of all, you have to click on the more, and from this you can actually find the Pro photo mode. And first of all, if you want to get some more information about any option, like for example, you are not sure actually what the EV do, so we have to click on it and tap on this eye icon. And as you can see from this, we can actually find the short description that actually exposure controls how bright our pictures are. So now take a look. When I move it to the left side, we are going to decrease brightness, and when I'm going to move it to the right side, we are going to increase brightness. And as you can see, we can start from the left side, and as you can see, when we try to adjust these parameters manually, we've got also this automatic button. But this function actually is not available on the exposure compensation. So this is actually the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Most of them we can adjust automatically and manually. Next, we can find the shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed for the 10 seconds. Another option is the focus range. So we can, for example, manually focus on any place. Like if you want to catch the close focus, you have to move this slider into the 0, or for example the 0.1. And when you see this green highlight, it means that this is actually the place where our smartphone actually catching the focus. So for this range, we should actually get around 0.1, 0.2. If I move it like this, everything will be actually out of the focus. But when I move it a little bit higher and lower this, we can actually get this green highlight on our surface. Next, we can also change the white balance. And now when you go into the right upper corner, we can actually find the contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and for example, tint. So we can adjust all of these parameters by moving to the left or to the right side. Now when you click right here, we can also find the matrix metering. Each time you change it, you will also find short description. From this, we can also enable the shutter delay from 2, 5, or even 10 seconds. At the top, we can actually enable or disable the flashlight. And from this, we can actually access for some settings. And that's basically it. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.